Hey everyone, it's Holly the Twister Sister here. Today we are making one of my kids' very favorite characters, Blippi! If you have little ones, definitely check out Blippi's YouTube channel. My kids love his videos. I'm sure that yours will also. And then watch how to make this fun character out of balloons. Maybe your kids will enjoy having a Blippi character that they can play with too. This is a pretty fast character to make. It only takes a couple of balloons and nothing too complicated here. If you want step-by-step instructions, make sure to come back over here to my channel or join us on my Facebook page or our Facebook group. I'll be going live tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern, walking you step-by-step exactly through how to make this character. So I hope to see you live tomorrow right here on YouTube, or you can join me on Facebook. The links are down below in the description if you're not already a part of our communities. I hope to see you there. Happy twisting, everyone!